AI is a new technology that lets computers learn from you and adapt to your needs. It remembers which apps you use and can even open them for you at a certain time. It also lets you use voice commands without scrolling through menus. AI can tailor your experience by keeping track of the things you do. It will find new recipes based on the food you like, and it only gets better over time. It can also keep you safe by scanning data, blocking any malicious activity before it can become a problem. It's the perfect partner for your antivirus software. AI makes using a computer more accessible. It also offers instant translations to include users who speak different languages. AI laptops are exciting for a lot of reasons, especially since this new technology is built into their clever processors, making them faster and smarter. Windows AI laptops handle everyday tasks quickly and efficiently. That's because Copilot Plus boosts performance and security. AI takes Chromebooks to the next level by making day-to-day jobs easier with tools to help with writing, photo editing, and video conferencing. Apple Intelligence is like having a whole studio in your bag. It has tools that can help with image and video editing work. AI makes it easier and faster to find documents, emails, websites, and more. It can also generate images and other types of content using whatever prompts you type in.